So we're gonna change these lights out because they don't look good. So just gonna grab a small flathead, just put it in this hole and just pop it a little bit. And then now we go to the other side, do the same, just like that. And this can come off. And you got your bulbs in here. I got the new ones right here. This one, I just did it on the back. So this one is from the back light. There's only one and two in the front. Tabs. So if you pull this back and make it easier, they just fall out. So just like that. And you just go ahead with the new one and you put them into place. I needed 2 hands, but there, it's in. You can test it. So yeah, let's do the other side. Got both of them in. Now we just grab the plastic piece. Put this side in first. And just like that. Show you all the back one. So the back one, I already had put it in. All you gotta do is just come back here and just pry it open, and then you got access to the light, and then you just put it back. So thanks for watching.